This part of Joe Wheeler is absolutely gorgeous. So let's try to cast in. I don't know how deep this is, but I usually see people casting off right over there and casting into the dock, so that's exactly what I'm gonna try. Oh man, it's a hot day out. Let's go get set up. We're going to this side. Right over here. So there are bass here. I definitely saw one. I'm not mistaken. Hopefully you guys saw one at home too. But if you didn't, just take my word for it. I'll ultralight fish with you for a little bit. Ultralight. That said, with these ultralights, I don't know if we'll catch anything. But if we do, it might be a really big bluegill. This water's really deep.
A bluegill.
A bluegill. What?
Something bit it.
Really? You pull up on it.
I did. My man just stared at me.
That was amazing. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try too. Such a nice place to fish though. It's very beautiful. Oh, whoa. Fish on. I don't know what it is. Nice.
Here, I'll name him so I'll know he's yours.
Okay, what's his name?
This guy is gonna be, man, I named so many fish, I'm running out of names.
Roberto Gonzalez Riviera del Noches?
Seymour?
Seymour?
Yeah.
Okay, Seymour. You wanna say hi to Seymour?
Hello, Seymour.
Wanna touch him?
Okay. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah, I thought something was numbing me.
Okay.
It ate my thingy, my squish fish.
Wow.
Oh no, look at the doggy. Yay.
Yay, doggy.
Dog. Good job on your fish.
Well, I mean, he wasn't that hard. You should...
No, there's a fish here and he keeps eating my thing. I wanted to catch him.
Okay.
I'm personally angry at him.
Well, I wish you all the best in trying to catch him.
Vendetta.
Okay.
Fish vendetta.
So go ahead and cast him out.
Yeah, that's off the ground.
Yeah, I will. I like how after bass fishing, everything feels big on an ultralight, and then you get it, and it's just, it's little.
Why is my thing going under the dock?
Pull up. Pull up.
I am. Come back.
Are you serious?
Fish.
Oh my God! You caught a fish!
It's like, where's my
Are you serious? Oh wow! Look at Nicky's first fish. What are you naming this one?
Not Seymour.
Not Seymour.
Ooh, this one's name is Bubba.
Bubba swallowed your whole hook. He's gonna need some surgery.
Oh.
Oh no.
You gonna take my picture?
He's gut hooked.
Oh no.
Okay, hold that.
I'm never gonna do this again since I hurt him.
Well,
Bubba, I'm sorry.
Bubba, I'm sorry.
Oh no. Can we just cut it? Oh look, it's coming out of his mouth actually.
Okay, there you go. We can probably get it.
Tease. I got fish.
All right, Bubba's
Help
bleeding
him.
a little bit.
Oh no. Oh no, I can't do this.
Baby, it's okay. Sorry, old Bubba.
No, help him.
Got him.
Yay!
Bubba, you're gonna be okay.
That's what I was trying to say the whole time. Can't you just push down?
All right, here's Bubba. He's bloody and not dead. Oh no! Oh no! Bubba!
Oh no!
Bubba, come back!
Oh no!
Bubba? Hey, you're fine.
You squeezed him too hard.
No, I didn't. Don't cry. Look at him. He just needs a little bit of water. All right, he's good. You know? Oh no. Nicky. Hey, you are.
Kyler, you're just playing with a dead fish.
It's not the first time. He's oh man. Dearly beloved, we gather here today for the send-off of Bubba the Bluegill.
I'm sorry, Bubba.
Okay, I was just sitting here consoling my poor girlfriend. And look, I get Bubba too.
You crushed Bubba.
I didn't crush Bubba to death.
Really?
Here's Bubba too. You don't want Bubba too?
No. I don't cool.
Yeah, no, he's goopy.
I didn't really think about that before I did it.
Mm-hmm.
I wiped it on your pants.
Thank you. That's fine. Oh, you got your second fish. Are you gonna get him off the hook?
I got a fish.
Are you gonna get him off the hook? Help.
I got a fish.
I don't. You don't have to. Okay.
Fish.
Okay, I'll get him. I promise. I'll get. Okay.
This one's name is Flipper.
Don't name him anything. For the friends at home, Nicky's second fish. It's a bluegill. He's nice and slimy. Nicky, you want to touch him?
No, he wants to go back in the water. Please don't kill me like Bubba.
Bye, Flipper. Join Bubba in the great abyss. Gotcha. A red breast sunfish. Actually, just a bluegill. Never mind. There are specific differences, and I should know better. I apologize. For all the people at home, oh no! Oh no! All right, I'm gonna catch another ultralight fish, and then I'm gonna go back to bass fishing. I gotta say the fishing here is pretty good. And Nicky has caught her second fish. 2 in one trip. So we're really doing it good. Fish on. Wow, this is also a pretty big one. Bluegill here are nice.
You got another fish?
Yeah. Here he is for the viewers at home. We are on a panfish mission. Ow.
Yeah, Walter's feisty.
Yeah, he is.
The bait flew out.
Yeah, I know. Walter cut me.
Yeah.
Walter, you need to chill. Waiting for them blow-ups, bass. Give me the blow-ups. So you might ask me, Kyler, deep water over here. Do you believe top water will work? I don't know. I am just trying to catch a fish. You get him? Nice. Fish number 3, 4, 3. Come help him. That's the opposite I do to fish.
Help him.
He's big. Oh no! Ow!
Oh no! Put him in the water.
Boyfriend was.
Please don't tell me you killed him too.
He's fine. Here he is for the viewers at home. Nicky's third fish. He's probably gonna be fine.
Oh my god.
He's good.
You know you're waiting for him to float back to the top.
Did you? Wow, look at you.
I got 4 now.
Fish number 4. Big Nicky. That's a big one. That's even bigger than the one we got for the catch and cook.
Big.
Yeah. That's surprising.
He's got a belly that's shiny.
And bluegills.
So we're gonna call him Shiny Belly.
Shiny belly.
That is Shiny Belly.
Uh-oh. Fight on, Nick. Yeah. All right, you take him off yourself this time. Uh-huh.
Please.
I'd rather I hold the rod.
And take him off?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Because you've been stabbing me a couple times.
I didn't mean to. You didn't even take his picture.
Do I need to? Here he is for all the friends at home. It's Nicky's fish. Nick. Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, that's gross. It got in my eye. This is number 5.
Fish number 5. Nicky is currently beating me in the fish game. All right, buddy. Time to go. See you later. Yeah, I caught a... What in the world is this? Is this a Cinco?
Why are you catching all the bait today?
Okay, Nicky. There you go. It's
Way over there.
it's a old fishing lure. Oh, you got another one. Okay. I'm gonna set this here as well.
It's a bream.
Yes. It's a big one too. I think that's the biggest one we've ever caught.
That's the 3rd one of these I've caught. I didn't know it was a brim.
Oh no! Oh no! Here he is.
You don't get very
He's going back. See you later, buddy.
Was this actually right there? It's still in his lip.
Mm-hmm. Okay. He's got his fins all out, so I'm gonna be really careful with him.
Oh gosh.
Oh man, you messed my camera up really good. See you later, buddy.
Fish number 8.
Look at you. Nicky is a natural born fish killer.
Fish killer.
Fish, no, I mean, that's not what I meant. That's not. Okay. Okay, Perchy Poo. Either a perch or a bass.
My catch number 9. Or is it 8? That's 9. Number 9!
Oh no.
No.
This guy is feisty. I'll let him go. Bye, Rossboro.
Oh.
Wow, Nicky with another catch. Look at you. You are incredible today. Fish number 10. Here he is for all the people at home. Nicky's 10th catch. Relocate him over here. Needs to be more fish over there. Oh no, are you serious? The same one.
11.
Number 11. Man, I might ultralight fish with you. I'm not catching anything.
11. Who could actually be the same one?
No, he's not the same one.
No, he's smaller, I think.
I don't know, man.
What?
Nicky's killing me on this ultralight game. I'm searching for bass, and Nicky's caught more bass than me.
I caught that.
Yes, you did. You caught either a white perch or a white bass, or a striped bass, one of those.
I don't know.
Look at that. Number 12. We need to have an ultralight competition.
Competition.
An ultralight tournament. Tournament. It's green sunfish this time.
Green sunfish.
There we go.
Species count gonna be so high.
Look at that.
Gonna be so.
All right, I'm switching to ultralight. This is my last cast. Ultralight it is. Hi.
Y'all throw it back?
Oh yeah, we throw everything back.
Okay.
Just fishing for the fun. Did you? I didn't even get over here good. Look at you. Whoa. He's huge. Here he is for the people at home. Another Nicky catch.
That's 13.
See you later. That is 13. Nicky's murdering the game. I'm almost jealous. Well, Whopper Plopper, you and I just didn't do it. Not today. Nicky has completely destroyed us. Now, I'm gonna put on my ultralight and we're gonna destroy her. So, we meet again, Nicky. Oops, because I messed up that cast immediately. Has Nicky unlocked some sort of secret that I haven't unlocked? I've caught tons of brim, bass, bluegill, but she comes over here and she kills it. Everything's destroyed. Gotcha. Right under the dock. He ate my squish fish though. There he is for the people at home. What's the score? You're like 60 billion to 3.
Oh no, it's the turtle. No.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, no, he was trying to get my thing. No, I don't want to get the turtle.
I don't know if I want to unhook a turtle. Come on, buddy. There you go. All right, see you later. Look at you.
Fishing lessons by Nicky offered there.
Fishing after Nicky. This is a big one. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Nicky's over here.
14.
Brim killer. All right. Fish on. Not as big as Nicky's, but I'll take it. Add 1 to my score.
You get one?
Yep.
Oh, he's so little.
She added insult to injury. There we are. Viewers at home, see you later, dude. Let's catch another. Boom. Another green sunfish. Cool out, buddy. All right, 1 more on my plate. Let's keep it going. What she doesn't know is I'm just dropping it straight down next to this log. And immediately, fish number 2. Oh my God, how did he even grab it?
They're so tiny.
Wow. Look, it's the tiniest fish. Part 2.
He's so little.
See you later, buddy. Where are you going? Good, girlfriend has not found out my secret yet. Oh man. I don't know if my secret spot's producing anymore. Oh, what's wrong, girlfriend?
Oh, he pulled my whole hook and everything off.
Wow, it must have been really big. I heard your thing go off. Your alarm thing. Your ding-a-ding-ding. Drag, rather.
Oh.
Right, so, to recap, we went on a bass fishing trip to a bass fishing trip to Joe Wheeler and caught no bass. However, I put Nicky on the Ultralight and she made a killing. Rest in peace, Bubba.
Oh, no. Poor Bubba.
Gut hooks happen sometimes, it's okay. But you caught a whole lot of fish. I think this is something that we need to do way more often. All in all, guys, I don't know if you can see anything, but everything's pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe because we've got so much more on the horizon. A bad day of fishing is so much better than a good day of work. I'll see you guys next time after 5. Deuces!